Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What
have you been? How are you doing? I'm doing great. Thank God for life. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sharon Zack Kenya. For those who are new here, please subscribe. Someone is calling. Hey guys, I'm back. Something came up and I had to go. I'm back and I want to take you guys along with me today as I start this vlog today. I thank God for life. So tuanze vlog yetu na wase mlisema mnifikishi dhao. Yani you guys please just subscribe, ni subscribe yetu, ni like yetu, as in it is free. Ni like yetu weye, ni subscribe yetu. Please do subscribe. Let's grow. Let's grow together, guys. And let's form our own family, friends, and our community. And please, after me watch video yangu, feel free to leave a comment below. A motivating comment, or a comment, just a positive comment, and yeah, we will be blessed and I will definitely get back to you. Positive comments, and negativity is not allowed. It's not a vibe here, and I don't like negative vibes personally, so let's remain positive. So guys, I'm currently in my bedroom as usual. I've realized that mostly nowadays I start my videos from my bedroom. Actually, this is the third video I'm starting from the bedroom. So guys, yeah, let's start our today video. Hope you'll fall in love with it, and if you do fall in love with my video, please smash the subscription button. Let's grow together, guys. So let me first of all tie this hair. Nikunjie hapa juu ndio isishinde ikinigusaguza nikifanya kazi. Acha nikunjie hapa juu. Nachukua hizi za nyuma nazipitishia hapo mbele hivyo. Then nazungusha hivyo. Then naingizia hii hapo chini. Naingiza zote. Yeah, like that. Naweza fanya kazi hivyo, but bado naweza ongezea kitambaa juu, ndio at least ningekuwa na hair band nipitishie juu ingekuwa better, but sasa hii juu sina, sije niongezee kitambaa juu. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Ongezea kitambaa. By the way, this is my grandmother's kitambaa. I inherited it. Vile sasa msi akipass nguo zake zinapeanwa. So I took this from my grandma's clothes. Yeah, she was my best friend. She was a mother. Like all my years. Wale tumegrow na our grandmothers. Hi there. Wenye tumelelewa na mashosho zetu. Hello. Yeah, this is it. For some reason, I love this kitambaa. Napenda kitambaa yake sana because it carries memories. It carries memories. Her memories, good memories, of course. Yeah. And that's me in my dera. Niteremshe chini, ni refu hii dera yangu. Yeah, that's me. So let's get into our today's video.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does
I'm done with cleaning the utensils and sasa nimebakisha sakafu, cleaning the floor. But first I have to make lunch. Wacha tupike lunch kwanza. Naenda kuwasha jiko ndio nipike lunch. So those are our utensils. Yeah, nimezimalizia, nimeziosha, nimepanguza kidogo, si sana. Kidogo tu. Na hapa. You see? And this is our soap, sabuni ya kutengenezea home. Yeah. I use that to clean the utensils and floss za nyumba. So, twende tukahakishe jiko. We make lunch. And then tutaendelea na video yetu. Na mnisubscribe tufike 1000 subscribers. But first nifikisheni 500 subscribers. I know you can, guys. I know you can. You can get me to 500 subscribers. Sindio? Ama niaje wase. I know you can get me there. That's why I'm requesting you. Please click your subscription button to subscribe to my channel. Na pika rice na maharagwe. Yeah. Rice and beans. So guys, I want to fold the clothes that I have here. They are here on the bed. So let's fold these clothes faster, arrange them to where they're supposed to be, and then we will continue with our cleaning. After cleaning of utensils, I cooked lunch. They have eaten and I have rested a little. So it's time to fold these clothes. I've just taken them from outside because it seems like the weather have just changed once. Kunakaa kama kunataka kunyesha, ndio maana nimezichukua. So let me place you guys on a stand so that you can see me folding. And I have one problem, guys. The problem which is here is that you find that nimekunja nguo za kila mtu kwa nyumba vizuri. But when it comes to my clothes, hazijakunjwa. But I want to change that. I want to be folding every
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
finish folding the clothes and arranging them in order. Na niko na blanket ingine nilibuy 2018 up to now, soft blanket. I want to add it on our bed because kumekuwa na baridi lately and I have two of them. One nitaad kwa inakaa hivi but ni soft blanket. One nitaad kwa bed ya my daughter and the other one nitaad kwa bed yetu. So let me show you yenye na add hapa venye inakaa. Acha kwanza niende 1 minute. I'm back. So guys, this blanket I bought it in 2018. Up to now, I know how to take care of things. Msikia najipigia debe. Nafunga mlango juu ya sauti ya TV. So, if you listen carefully, utasikia niko kwa melon. So, nataka kuadi blanketi hapa. Yeah, inakaa hivi. It is very beautiful by the way. Very beautiful. So inakaa hivi ikiwa imetandikwa. So yes, and that is it. So guys, so this far we thank God for everything. We thank God for everything, yes, for everything. For everything good, for everything bad, as in everything happens for good to those who trust in the Lord. Ndivyo Biblia inasema. So guys, like just to encourage maybe someone here, you are going through something difficult, something that you cannot explain to someone, or something that you feel like you can. Kuna by the way time unagonjekanga, unaona ukiambia msee wewe uko feel poa, wataona unaye anagonjekanga every time. So I just want to encourage you to just take heart in the Lord. Utapona kama uko mgonjwa. Everything will work out for the good of God, okay? So just take heart, be strong. Be strong in the Lord. It is just seasonal. It is nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent in our lives. So kama unapitia hardship, whatever you are going through in life, take heart, trust in God, and He will fulfill the desire of your heart according to His riches in heaven. We are all trusting in God for His goodness and mercies upon us. So guys, don't lose hope in whatever you do. Take heart, remain strong, no matter how difficult the wave or how difficult whatever you are going through is. For now in your life, just stay strong, remain strong in the Lord. So you don't know kwa nini that something is happening in your life at this time, and kuna vitu zingine zina happeningi kwa maisha yetu that you cannot, as in uwezi zuia. Ni kama accident ama ni kama tuseme nini, yani vitu tu zina happen. Tuseme everything happens for good to those who trust in God. So me encouragement yangu ya leo ni ati know that everything happens for good to those who trust in the Lord. So put your faith in God, put your hope in God, and trust in God with all your heart, because ujui nini itafanyika next. Sasa uko hapa, kesho uko pale, kesho ingine uko pale pengine. Plus, do good to others. Wema hulipa. Wema, tenda wema, nenda zako. By the way, wema inajilipa. If you do good to someone, it's not si ati huyo mtu atakuja back akutendee wema. Juu most of the time you find out yourself that unafanyia watu mambo mazuri, but there is no one who, maybe they are not coming back to say thank you. Maybe they are not appreciating. Maybe they are not even acknowledging what you are doing good to them. But God has His own way of paying back. So continue trusting in God, because one day He will pay you back. Continue doing good. Usichoke kutenda wema. Wema ulipa, because ukisema, for instance, you have been helping people and no one have ever come back to say thank you. Maybe you find out that wewe unapeananga, let's say, manguo ama chakula. Wacha tuseme manguo. You found out that wewe utawahi kosa manguo. na utawaiomba, because God will always have his own way of giving back to you, and his favor will always be following you whatever you go. So don't get tired of doing good. Don't get tired of helping those who are ungrateful. Yes, they are ungrateful. Yes, don't get tired of helping. Just continue doing what you feel is good for your heart. And tena kuna hii stuff inaumiza wase. You are just too good until people start, nimetoka kwa mobile, until people start taking advantage of you. That is not even good too. Don't let people take advantage of you. So hata wewe nitakuchapa. So guys, don't get tired. Caleb, nafanya video. So and watch TV. So guys, the key point here today is don't get tired of doing good. Tenda mema, nenda zako. Let's continue with the video. By the way guys, I have decided that so from today forward, I've decided that I'll be incorporating some talks in between our videos. We will be sitting down having 1-2 word of God, because we will be I'll be sharing the word of God with you guys. For the positive people, continue being positive. It pays. Remain positive. Remain positive to people, because God will eventually pay you. So I trust in God. Let's trust in God with all our heart, mind, and with all our everything. So guys, I've decided that I'll be incorporating gospel talks, gospel preaching in my channel in between, because guys, we all need God, and sometimes you're just too down. You find that you can't pray for yourself, you can't get good boy. You find that your heart is just very down, that unataka encouragement, unataka hear just the word of God, you just want someone to encourage you. Yes, you'll be getting that from this channel from today. Drum rolls for me. I'll be sharing the word of God with you guys. So please don't miss out on my next video, because you don't know what we are going to be talking about next. So stay tuned, continue staying tuned to my channel. If it's your first time here, I've realized that most of my viewers are women. Goodbye. Are women. Please, fellow women, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support a sister, a friend. Yes, please support by subscribing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for getting me to 450. We are somewhere around there, but I believe by the end of this video, maybe we will get to 500. So stay tuned as we continue working in our home. So see you guys. Ambia watu hey guys.
Hi guys.
Wasalimie vizuri, sema hey guys.
Hi guys.
So guys, for those who are new here, this is my son Caleb, but we call him CJ because his first name is Jackton. So he is Caleb Jackton. Yeah, that's where we call him CJ. CJ. Sometimes I just like letting him see himself in my vlogs, because he usually feels very good akijiona kwa TV. Huh? By the way, yes, the one of the reason why I have not been posting my videos, so they should go back to school hurriedly, because guys, this boy with my phone. No, no. No, so guys, see you all.